Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use snipping tool to take a screenshot on your PC. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, in case you didn't know, snipping tool is a Microsoft Windows program that can take screenshots of rectangular areas, freeform areas, open windows, or even entire screen. So let's now see how to use snipping tool. And the first thing is to search for this program on the Start menu. The next thing is to open the tool, and then you will have this small menu where you can make some settings and choose options that suits you. If you click this drop down icon on this first button here, you can choose from freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, or full screen snip. And if you click this options button, you can choose your options depending on your preferences. Now, to take a freeform or rectangular snip, you just need to choose one of these snips. Then a scissor or cross cursor will appear. After this, you need to left click and hold on your mouse, then move the mouse to cover the area that you want to snip. On the other hand, to take a window or full screen snip, you just need to choose one of these snips, and this program will automatically take the screenshot. After taking your screenshot, the next thing is to copy, save, or send the screenshot with the help of this menu. If you want first to edit your screenshot, then you can do so with the help of these tools. So this is like everything for this video, and if you find this video helpful, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.